Would you like to learn how to make the most delicious Maryland-style crab cakes? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you're going to need, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let's start off by chopping up some shallots and some fresh parsley. Just be sure to chop the shallots as fine as possible. The best crab meat to use for this recipe would be lump crab meat. Now to the crab meat, we're going to add some mayonnaise, 1 egg, and some spicy mustard. Yeah, we about to make sure these crab cakes come out really good. Cause child, I had to refinance my house just to buy this damn lump crab meat. My goodness, I don't know why that stuff has to cost so much. Child, I wanted to ask the man, can I put something on it? Putting crab on layaway is crazy. Anywho, put you some why in the world would they name it that sauce in here, and also some Old Bay, gotta have the Old Bay, and some fresh cracked black pepper. You always want to use fresh cracked black pepper. It's so much better, more flavorful than the pepper that's already ground. Also add the shallots and the fresh parsley. This is my breadcrumb recipe hack. Whenever a recipe calls for some breadcrumbs, instead of using those boring, flavorless breadcrumbs, I use me some Ritz garlic butter crackers. Yes, child, just smash them up in a baggie or put them in a food processor, and it gives amazing flavor to so many recipes because the garlic and the butter and all that yumminess is up in these crackers. Just try it, beloved, and you can thank me later. That's one smart chick right there. Add in the crushed crackers and also a pinch of celery seed. Now we're going to mix it all together, but I'm going to use my hands because the trick is to not break up the lumps of the crab meat. And that's the other thing. All that money for this crab meat, and it wasn't even big lumps and chunks like what I was looking for. Child, I was visiting home when I made this video, so I was in New York at my aunt's apartment, and I got this crab from ShopRite. Never again, child. But we still made it do what it do, and it still was yummy. So you just want to like fold it into itself and then proceed to make patties. Mold it together in your hand, just like so, and make some nice medium-sized crab cake patties. Now I have my frying pan on medium heat with a shallow layer of canola oil in the pan. We just want to get these nice and golden brown. We don't need to deep fry them or anything like that. Once they're golden brown on one side, give it a nice flip. The way you can tell that they're ready to be flipped is you can see the edges are starting to turn golden brown. That's how you know they're ready to be flipped. And once they're all done, it should look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These crab cakes were so good. I'm telling you, those garlic butter Ritz crackers, my secret ingredient, really takes these crab cakes to the next level. Okay. But if you can't find the crackers, I got them from ShopRite. You can just use regular Ritz. Simple and easy and so delicious. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.
You like and subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good.